How to drain the water tank in the Axiom series brewer. This video will demonstrate how to properly drain the water tank in preparation for storage or service of brewer. Disconnect power from brewer. Let water in tank to cool. Could take several hours. Loosen screws that secure the front access panel. Remove the panel. Locate hose with white tubing shut-off clamp. Tighten the squeeze clamp. Remove from inlet solenoid. Avoid damaging the clamp. Remove hose from inlet solenoid valve. Place the end of the drain hose in a container that has a minimum capacity of 200 ounces or 5.7 liters. Release the white tubing shut-off clamp to drain water from tank. Be sure to drain below the tank to ensure all water drains from the tank. When tank is empty, close the white tubing shut-off clamp and replace the hose on the inlet solenoid valve and fasten. Repeat steps for twin brewers. Loosen the squeeze clamp. Replace the front panel and tighten screws.